Wi-Fi connected to device but can provide internet. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Wi-Fi connected to device but cannot provide internet. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So sometimes different kinds of causes are there that creates this kind of issue. So in order to troubleshoot this issue, you need to simply restart the device. Firstly, restart your Wi Fi router, power it off for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Wait for it to reconnect to your internet service provider. After you restart your Wi Fi router, you simply need to restart the device you are trying to connect to the internet. For that, you can easily hold on the power button on your device. And then you need to slide towards the restart or reboot option and restart your device. The second step that you need to follow or check is simply you need to test the connection with another device. Connect a different device to the same Wi Fi network. If it also lacks internet access, the issue likely lies with the internet connection or the router, not your device. So, once you have followed this step, simply you need to make sure that there is temporary disable any firewall, VPN, or antivirus programs on the device. Sometimes this can block the internet connection. If all the above steps fails, you need to consider resetting your router to its factory default settings. This will erase all configurations and can sometimes resolve the complex issues. In this way, we can easily fix Wi-Fi connected to device but cannot provide network problem. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.